Hello everyone, welcome to Kavin English Learning channel. Today I'm going to teach you some basics of computers. Being a modern day kid, you must have used, seen or read about computers. This is because they are an integral part of our everyday existence. In school, banks, shops, railway station, hospitals or your own home, computers are present everywhere, making our work easier and faster for us. As they are such integral part of our lives, we must know what they are and how they function. Let us start with defining the term computer formally. The literal meaning of computer is a device that can calculate. However, modern computers can do a lot more than calculate. Computer is an electronic device that receives inputs, stores or processes the inputs as per your instructions, and provides output in desired format. So, my dear students, now you understood. Computer is an electronic device that receives input, stores or processes the input as per your instructions, and provides output in desired format. And then let's see input process output model. Computer input is called data. The input is called data, and the output obtained after processing it based on user's instruction is called information. Raw facts and figures which can be processed using arithmetic and logical operations to obtain information are called data. Raw facts and figures which can be processed using arithmetic and logical operations to obtain information are called data. You can see the simplest workflow of computer: input, then process, and then the output. The process that can be applied to data are two types. What are they? Arithmetic operation, for example, include calculation like addition, subtraction, differential, square root, etc. Logical operations, for example, include comparison operations like greater than, less than, equal to, opposite, etc. The corresponding figure for an actual computer looks something like this. The corresponding figure for an actual computer looks something like this. You can see the control unit, and you can see input unit, output unit, also the arithmetic logic unit, as well as the input unit also. The basic parts of a computer are as follows. Right, we can classify the parts of a computer as follows. Input unit. Devices like keyboard and mouse that are used to input data and instructions to the computer are called input unit. Right. What are the input units? Keyboard, mouse, likewise. That are called input unit. Output unit. Devices like printer and visual display unit that are used to provide information to the user in desired format are called output unit. We can tell the output unit is printer. Right. Control unit. As the name suggests, this unit controls all the functions of the computer. All devices or parts of computer interact through the control unit. Arithmetic logic unit. This is a brain of the computer where all arithmetic operations and logical operations take place. And then the memory. All input data, instruction and data entering to the processes are stored in the memory. Memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory resides with the CPU, whereas secondary memory is external to it. Have you all understood? Right. And then control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and memory are together called the central processing unit. The short form is CPU, central processing unit. Computer devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. that we can see and touch are the hardware components of the computer. The set of instruction or program that make the computer function using these hardware parts are called software. We cannot see or touch software. We can touch and see the hardware, and we cannot see or touch the software. Both hardware and software are necessary for working of a computer. So these two, hardware and software, are very much essential for the working of a computer. Characteristics of computer. To understand why computers are such an important part of our lives, let us look at some of its characteristics. Speed. Typically, a computer can carry out 3 to 4 million instructions per second. Okay? Accuracy. Computers exhibit a very high degree of accuracy. Errors that may occur are usually due to inaccurate data, wrong instruction or bug in chips, all human errors. Reliability. Computers can carry out same type of work repeatedly without throwing up errors due to tiredness or boredom, which are very common among humans. Versatility. Computers can carry out a wide range of work from data entry and ticket booking to complex mathematical calculations and continuous astronomical observations. If you can input the necessary data with correct instructions, computer will do the processing. And then the storage capacity. Computers can store a very large amount of data at a fraction of cost of traditional storage of files. Also, data is safe from normal wear and tear associated with paper. Have you all understood these characteristics of computer? Okay, I hope so. Advantages of using computer. Now that we know the characteristic of computers, we can see the advantages that computers offer. Computers can do the same task repeatedly with the same accuracy. Computers do not get tired or bored. Computers can take up routine tasks while releasing human resource for more intelligent functions. And then we move to the disadvantages of using computer. There are advantages and also some disadvantages using computers. Despite so many advantages, computers have some disadvantages of their own. Computers have no intelligence. They follow the instructions blindly without considering the outcome. Regular electric supply is necessary to make computer work, which could prove difficult everywhere, especially in developing nations. So, you should note down some disadvantages also there by using the computer. And also, booting. Starting a computer or a computer embedded device is called booting. Booting takes place in two steps. Switching on power supply, loading operating system into computer's main memory, keeping all applications in a state of readiness in case needed by the user. This first program or set of instructions that run when the computer is switched on is called BIOS, Basic Input Output System. BIOS is a firmware. For example, a piece of software permanently programmed into the hardware. If a system is already running but needs to be restarted, it is called rebooting. System is already running but needs to be restarted. It is also called rebooting. Rebooting may be required if a software or hardware has been installed or system is unusually slow. There are two types of booting. Cold booting. When the system is starting by switching on the power supply is called cold booting. The next step is cold booting is loading of basic input output system. Warm booting. When the system is already running and needs to be restarted or rebooted, it is called warm booting. Warm booting is faster than the cold booting because the basic input output system is not reloaded. Have you all understood? Okay everyone, hope you all enjoyed and understood today's lesson, Basics of Computers, Lesson 1 very well. So please subscribe to my channel and join with me for more videos about computer studies too. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I will meet you soon with an interesting lesson later. Bye.